If you're a woman over 50 and work leaves you drained and distracted, and you're wondering if it's even worth it, then you're not alone. And the good news is it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm going to explore 15 science backed ways that women over 50 are staying healthy, sharp, and empowered at work. Number one, burnout hits harder after 50. So it is important that you recognize the shift. Burnout in midlife isn't just exhaustion. It includes emotional depletion, sleep disruption, and even leaves you questioning your purpose. This is often worsened by hormonal changes and caregiving stress that commonly occurs in midlife. The key here is to advocate for workplace inclusion and recognition. Women feel empowered and they thrive in the workplace when they feel valued. Number two, you don't just need work life balance, you need work life meaning. The question, is this it? Is a common one after 50. I actually asked that same question. Fulfillment, not just balance, fuels happiness, longevity, and workplace engagement. The tip here is to request tasks that align with your values and advocate for projects that spark meaning. Number three, cognitive wellness is career insurance. Lack of focus, memory lapses, brain fog are not inevitable. Instead, they're manageable. And if you manage the burnout and the hormonal symptoms, you can address these. Some strategies include try 90-minute deep focus blocks, midday walks, nutrient rich lunches, proper hydration, and good sleep. Also, get evaluated by your doctor, particularly for symptoms associated with hormone changes. Number four, movement must fit into your day. Having a desk job doesn't mean you have to be sedentary all day. Remember that movement boosts your mood, it improves blood flow, it clears the mind, it helps to maintain mobility. Some quick fixes include chair yoga, walking meetings, hourly stretches, standing at your desk periodically, lunchtime walk. Again, this is especially important if your job is sedentary. You must be intentional about movement at work. Number five, workplace wellness is evolving, and so should you. Gone are the days when workplace wellness centered on fruit bowls and yoga. Today, emphasis is also placed on things like menopause support, ergonomic tools, social connection, and mental health access. So the tip here is to ask HR about wellness options. Advocate for support that reflects real midlife needs. Number six, social connection fuels healthy aging. One of the strongest predictors of midlife well-being is the quality of your relationships, and work is no exception. Here's a best practice. Join or start a mentorship circle or a workplace book club. Number seven, flexibility equals freedom to thrive. Remote options, flexible hours, and even temperature control, these help women manage sleep loss, hot flashes, and caregiving stress without sacrificing performance. So advocate for yourself by asking for flexibility, not as a favor, but as a performance tool. Many times your supervisors are open to this option, but you never know it if you never present it to them. Number eight is let's talk about menopause at work. 40% of midlife women say menopause affects work on a daily basis, yet 58% don't feel safe discussing it. So the solution is to normalize it. Normalize discussing menopause by sharing stories, creating awareness, and ask for accommodations like cooling breaks or flexible hours. Number nine, targeted wellness matters. One size fits all doesn't work. Women over 50 benefit from plans that support heart health, bone strength, and mental well-being. So look for things like menopause coverage, wellness stipend, and mental health sessions. Number 10, career invention is rising. Many women over 50, like myself, are launching new careers, businesses, or taking on leadership roles. Your move is to invest in your growth. Don't settle. Use your experience as a springboard, not an endpoint. Number 11, financial wellness equals stress reduction. Money and wellness are deeply connected. Yes, the feeling of having financial security reduces cortisol and supports peace of mind. So the tip here is to talk to a licensed financial advisor, discuss things like catching up on retirement contributions, disability insurance, and long-term care insurance. And also make sure you understand your benefits. Number 12, champion lifelong learning and age inclusive workplace. You're not too old. In fact, you're incredibly valuable. Learning keeps your brain sharp and challenges the ageist narrative. So, an action step here might be to take a new course or to mentor someone or ask to be mentored. Be a part of shaping an inclusive culture. Number 13, ensure you have nutritional energy for your brain fuel. So load up on foods like nuts, seeds, berries, leafy greens, and plenty of water. Avoid highly processed snacks or sugary beverages. These will lead to crashes. And you want to avoid unhealthy habits like smoking or excessive alcohol. Number 14, prioritize mental clarity and stress resilience. Between aging parents, careers, health changes, stress will add up. Some useful tools include trying a 3-minute breath practice, time block your day, build in small breaks from your computer screen. And number 15, build in healthy aging habits for the workplace. If you want quick wins, consider some of these routines. Water bottles at your desk with a reminder to ensure proper hydration. Many strength routines at the desk, like squats or wall push-ups, snacks that are high in nutrition, micro breaks, like 5 minutes away from the desk, outside in fresh air and sunlight. Good sleep hygiene that includes no caffeine late evening or winding down or avoiding alcohol at night. You can thrive at any age in any workplace. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for what supports you, because your health, your energy, and your voice matters more than ever. If you found anything here helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and continue to watch this channel for more on healthy aging and longevity for women over 50.